What's up, everyone? Today, we're exposing how your Instagram account could vanish in seconds. Hackers in 2026 are using advanced attacks that can bypass your security before you even notice. This isn't just about losing photos, it's about identity theft, financial loss, and your reputation. I've talked to cybersecurity experts and real victims to bring you the top 10 ways hackers are breaking into Instagram right now. We'll break down each method so you know exactly how they work and how to stop them. This isn't to scare you, it's to arm you with knowledge. The only way to beat hackers is to think like them. Watch until the end for a checklist that will make your account nearly unhackable. These tips go way beyond just strong passwords. Let's get started. First up, phishing, but with a 2026 twist. Hackers now create flawless Instagram login pages. So real, even experts get fooled. They'll DM you, posing as Instagram support, warning of suspicious activity. Panic sets in. You click their link and land on a perfect fake login page. You enter your username and password. Boom, they have your credentials. Sometimes you're redirected to the real app, so you don't suspect a thing. Hackers can now lock you out, scam your followers, or wipe your account. AI helps them personalize these scams, referencing your posts or friends. They're playing psychological games and winning. We'll show you how to spot these fakes. Look for odd URLs, misspelled domains, or anything that feels off. Never click links from DMs claiming to be Instagram support. Always go directly to the app or official website. If you get a suspicious message, pause and verify. These tiny details can save your account. Stay alert. This is one of the most common ways people get hacked. Let's move on. Next, SIM swapping, a terrifying hack that targets your phone number, not your password. Hackers gather your personal info from data breaches or public records. They call your mobile provider, pretend to be you, and convince them to transfer your number to a new SIM. Suddenly, your phone loses service. The hacker now receives your calls and texts, including Instagram's password reset codes. They reset your password and take over your account, bypassing two-factor authentication. This is how major influencer accounts have been stolen overnight. Recovery is a nightmare, sometimes impossible. Protect yourself. Set up a security PIN with your phone provider. Never share personal info publicly. Use app-based two-factor authentication, not just SMS. If your phone suddenly loses service, contact your provider immediately. SIM swapping is on the rise. Don't let it happen to you. We'll show you how to set up that PIN later in the video. Stay tuned for more ways hackers are getting in. Your phone number is a key. Guard it. Let's keep going. Ever used a fun quiz or see who unfollowed you app? Some third-party apps are actually traps designed to steal your Instagram access. When you log in with Instagram, you might be giving hackers permission to control your account. They can read your DMs, post as you, or even lock you out. These apps can sit dormant for months before being used for scams or spam. Always check who made the app and what permissions it asks for. If a filter app wants to send DMs, that's a red flag. Regularly review and revoke third-party app access in your Instagram settings. Don't trust every app. Do your research first. Let's see how weak passwords make things even worse. Brute force attacks are still a huge threat. Hackers use automated software to try millions of password combinations in seconds. Simple passwords like Sunshine88 or 13456 are cracked instantly. Botnets spread these attacks across thousands of computers, making them hard to detect. Instagram's lockouts aren't enough. Hackers use different IPs to avoid them. Only strong, unique passwords stand a chance. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. A password manager can help you create and remember complex passwords. Don't use the same password anywhere else. Later, I'll share the golden rules for a brute force-proof password. Now, let's talk about the most powerful hacking tool, human psychology. Social engineering is the art of hacking people, not computers. Hackers might call, pretending to be Instagram support, and pressure you for your password or security code. Or they'll build fake relationships, then ask you to help by sharing a code, actually giving them access to your account. They exploit urgency, fear, or your desire for opportunities. Never share your password or two-factor codes with anyone, ever. Instagram will never ask for your password via DM, email, or phone. Be skeptical of urgent requests or offers that seem too good to be true. If you're unsure, verify through official channels. Don't let your guard down. Hackers are master manipulators. Stay suspicious, stay safe. Next, let's talk about the silent spy that could be watching every keystroke. This one's scary. Keyloggers are silent malware that record everything you type: usernames, passwords, credit cards. They sneak onto your device through shady downloads or phishing emails. Once installed, they secretly log your keystrokes and send them to hackers. Even the strongest password is useless if a keylogger is watching. Protect yourself. Never download files from untrusted sources. Use reputable antivirus software and keep it updated. Avoid public computers. They could have hardware keyloggers. Be cautious with email attachments and links. Regularly scan your devices for malware. Now, let's see how hackers can log in without your password at all. Session hijacking lets hackers log in as you, no password needed. When you log in, your browser saves a session cookie. If a hacker steals that cookie, they can access your account instantly. Public Wi-Fi is a hotspot for this attack. Hackers can intercept your data if the network isn't secure. Cross-site scripting, XSS on other sites, can also steal your cookies. Protect yourself. Avoid logging into Instagram on public Wi-Fi or use a VPN. Always check for HTTPS and the padlock icon in your browser. Log out of accounts when using shared devices. Session hijacking is invisible, so take these precautions seriously. Next, let's talk about the blue checkmark scam. Everyone wants the blue checkmark, and hackers know it. They send fake DMs or emails, claiming you're eligible for verification. The message looks official, with Instagram branding and convincing language. You're asked to click a link and enter your password to complete the process. But it's a scam. Your password goes straight to the hacker. They take over your account, sometimes selling it or using it for more scams. Instagram will never DM or email you to offer verification. The only way to apply is through the official app settings. Ignore any other offers, no matter how real they look. Don't let your desire for status cost you your account. Stay sharp. Scammers prey on ambition. Now let's talk about old passwords coming back to haunt you. Credential stuffing is when hackers use old, leaked passwords from other sites to break into your Instagram. Billions of stolen credentials are floating around the dark web. If you reuse passwords, a hacker can use automated tools to try them on Instagram. Even a 1% success rate means thousands of hacked accounts. The solution: use a unique password for every account. Password managers make this easy. One master password unlocks all your strong, unique ones. If one site is breached, your other accounts stay safe. Don't let old habits put your Instagram at risk. Update your passwords and use a manager today. Now, the scariest hack of all, one you can't control. Zero-day exploits are secret vulnerabilities in Instagram that even the developers don't know about. Hackers who find these can break in without any warning. No password, no two-factor, no defense. These are rare and usually target high-profile accounts, but they're real. 0 days are sold on the dark web for huge sums. The only defense: always keep your apps and devices updated. As soon as a fix is released, install it. No system is 100% secure, but updates close the gaps fast. Don't ignore update notifications. They're your best protection. Stay vigilant, and you'll stay ahead of most threats. Let's wrap up with your action plan. That was intense, but now you know how hackers really get in. Here's your action plan. Enable two-factor authentication with an app, not SMS. Change your password to something long, complex, and unique. Use a password manager. Revoke access for any suspicious third-party apps. Set up a security PIN with your mobile provider. Share this video to protect your friends and family. Knowledge is power. Let's make it harder for hackers to win. Subscribe for more security tips. Stay safe out there.